What is diesel engine? An internal combustion engine in which fuel oil is burned by heat produced from air compression. The most commonly bought industrial diesel engines are either rebuilt diesel engine or used diesel engine. What is non-utility generator? When connected to an electric utility system, non-utility generator generates electricity specifically for those not owned by an electric utility. What is voltage regulator? By modulating the flow of DC to the rotor, voltage regulator maintains optimum generator voltage automatically. What is kVA? kVA is kilovolt ampere and is the unit of apparent power. kVA is used for measuring the power consumption of non-resistive equipment such as motors, computers, and most non-incandescent lighting. As you know, diesel mechanics are usually hired depending on their expertise in specific areas. What areas are you most comfortable working in? While I am an experienced diesel mechanic and I have experience in handling diesel engines in their entirety, I believe my interest lies in handling electrical systems and overhauling pertaining to vehicular diesel engines. What is absolute temperature? The temperature measured using absolute zero as a reference. Absolute zero is minus 469.69 Fahrenheit or minus 273.16 degrees Celsius and is the lowest point of temperature known. What is campground piston? Oval-shaped piston head design used by most large diameter aluminum pistons which expands in a non-uniform manner when hot to attain a round shape. What is digital sensor? A digital sensor which uses duty cycles of two voltages in timed pulses of AC to relay such information as speed, throttle position, and engine timing. What is combustion cycle? A series of thermodynamic processes through which the working gas passes to produce one power stroke. The full cycle is combination of intake, compression, power, and exhaust. What is an American Public Power Association or APA? A national service organization that represents 2000 municipal and other state or local publicly owned electric utilities spread across the United States. What is backup generators? Backup generators used for fulfilling emergency load requirement during sudden shortage of power. What is turbine generator? Running on gas or steam turbine, turbine generator generates electricity through electromagnetic forces caused by steam, water, or wind, etc. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more future videos like this. And also share this video with your friends.